How to use Renew Granular. In this video, we will use the example of Leisure Time Renew Granular. Leisure Time Renew is a non-chlorine shock oxidizer. This fast-dissolving granular rids spa water of residual soaps, deodorants, natural oils and organic materials that can build up in spa water. When Renew is added to the spa water, it reacts with the bromide and forms a bromine solution to destroy any microorganisms left behind by the bather. Routine usage directions. Step 1. Turn on filtration system. Step 2. For each 250 gallons of water, add 2 ounces directly into spa water. Step 3. Run filtration system for 15 minutes with cover off. Step 4. Repeat process once a week to help maintain clear, odor-free water. Useful tips. Renew clears cloudy water and eliminates odors and contaminants. Compatible with chlorine, bromine, ozone and mineral purification systems. Thank you, I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa for us. Bye.